Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Quickly settle down yourself. Settle down yourself fast. Quickly, beta. Settle down yourself. Turn on your videos. We shall wait for 1 minute more so that some more students can join us. Okay? Just 1 minute. Okay, everyone. Quickly settle down yourself. Just give me a second. Topic that we are doing is simple interest, right? Topic that we are doing simple interest. And today I will focus more on previous year questions. Okay. I will focus more on previous year questions. So everyone, please go through the formulas that I made you write. Go through the formulas that I made you write. All the questions that we did in last two classes, right? Last two classes that we did. Everyone, please go through it. And we shall start the previous year questions. Today, my focus will be on that. And one more announcement I have to make. Like those students who want to fill the form for Navodaya, those students who want to fill the form for Navodaya, the form is out, beta, JNV. Okay, the form for JNV is out, dear. Okay, 7 July, the registration has started and it's up to 30 July. So, everyone, those who are willing to fill the form of Navodaya, please do fill it. Okay, please do fill it. It's the exam pattern is almost same. The topics are almost same like SANIC. Okay, but it is also the government-oriented school in each and every district. Mostly in every district we have JNV. Okay, same like boarding school, like SANIC school. Okay, but SANIC school only few. That's why the quality is much higher. JNV good enough to get admissions. In each and every district, it is there. This Navodaya, every district. Okay, we shall continue our studies. This was just simple information that Navodaya form is out. So those who want to fill it, you can. Lavanish, in Tamil Nadu, I'm not actually JNV, it is 300 plus beta. So each and every district, mostly good districts, JNV is present. So I'm not very sure about Tamil Nadu. Okay. So I'm not very sure about especially the south states or the northeast states. I'm not so sure about it. But yes, JNV is there in almost every district, state, every state. Which exam is easier? Everything is easy, Nikamto, if you study well. Everything is easy. But if you don't study, beta, nothing is easy. Right? Okay, one by one, I shall take your hand raises, but only 6 of you. Now, please don't raise your hand. And hand raises related with only the doubts. Okay, only the doubts, nothing else. Yes, Arohi. Yes, Arohi. Acha, Arohi gone. Yes, Sherlin 5989. Sherlin,
ये- आपने जो 2 क्लास करे थे वो उसमें मैं एब्सेंट थी क्योंकि मेरा इंटरनेट इशू था।
so beta, you must have watched the recordings. Did you, Sherlin?
नहीं मैम, क्योंकि मुझे मिल नहीं रही थी ऐप में रिकॉर्डिंग, तो मैं ये क्लास में न्यू थी।
बेटा जो सैनिक स्कूल का ऐप है ना, उस ऐप पे आपकी रिकॉर्डिंग 12 बजे तक मैथ्स की तो आ ही जाती है। 3 बजे से पहले पहले मतलब विद इन 24 आवर्स सारे सब्जेक्ट्स की आ जाती है। मैथ्स की अगर मैं अपनी बात करूं तो 12 बजे के पहले पहले आ जाती है। ठीक है, 12 बजे तक लास्ट होता है मेरा, वो अपलोड कर ही देती हूँ मैं। तो आप एक बार ना बेटा रिकॉर्डिंग्स देखना शर्लिन, बिकॉज फॉर्मूला ऑलरेडी हो चुके हैं ना, तो हो सकता है आपको थोड़ी दिक्कत आए इसको करने में, बट कोई बात नहीं शर्लिन, अगले चैप्टर में नहीं आएगा। ठीक है, लेकिन बेटा कभी भी कोई क्लास मिस हो तो रिकॉर्डिंग जरूर देख कर आया करें। यस आश्री, यस शाहश्री, बेटा आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है शाहश्री, आप चैट बॉक्स में पूछें। यस प्रीतम,
यस प्रीतम। मैम व्हेन इज नवोदय एग्जाम?
पार्डन,
पार्डन?
एग्जाम
When
ऑफ
is
नवोदय, इट इज इन नवंबर बेटा, इट इज इन नवंबर। यस मानसी,
Yes, Mansi.
बेटा क्विकली डियर।
Quickly, dear.
बेटा मानसी, आई कुड
Beta
नॉट
Mansi,
गेट
I
यू।
could not get you.
यस आश्री,
Yes, Ashri.
साश्री क्विकली बेटा।
बेटा मैम आपकी साउंड बहुत धीमे से आ रही है मैम। मेरी
So exit and rejoin. Exit and rejoin. Those who think that my sound is not proper, beta, please exit and rejoin. Okay? Exit and rejoin, dear. Let's start the class now. Let's start the class. Because the form of JNV is out now, first question I'm giving you of JNV. Just like that only. What will be the rate of simple interest at which rupees 17,500 will become rupees 19,250 in 2 years? Options you have is 12 by 2%, 10%, 7 by 2%, and 5%. First try yourself and then I shall help you in this. Okay, and this particular question is from JNV beta. Okay, first solve yourself. Just launching the poll for you. Give me a second. And here you go. एक second. हाँ, here you go beta. Today we will try to attempt many previous year questions. Previous year question beta doesn't mean previous year question of 2025 only. Previous year question means that last 5 to 10 years questions. Okay. And every question is given in your book, Bharati publication book. If you want, you can cross check there. Those who have the books. And I wanted to talk to you about the assignments as well. Dhriti, what is this? Sahashri, Dhriti. I will not turn on your mic, beta. Those who do spam, I'm not going to turn on your mic. Mahazini, Omkar, Gayatri. Very good there. First three, beta. But many of you did wrong. Yes, Dinesh. Yes, beta. Acha. Yes, Krishav.
Ma'am, where are like the last year's JNV like papers?
Pardon, Krishav.
Ma'am, where do I get the JNV last year's papers?
Last year papers in the class, I make sure that I mix up all the questions of previous year, especially during the revision, that is the crash course. And beta, when it will happen. And if you want JNV questions, you can search online also. Every question is available. Okay. Go search in online, Google, you will get it. Okay. See beta, what does the question says? The question says, if you have doubt related with this question, beta, lower down your hand. I'm explaining this. Okay. You can lower down your hand. If you have another doubt, do ask me in the chat box. Okay. See, what will be the rate of simple interest at which 17,500 will become 19,250 in 2 years? That means in this particular question, I have to find what? I have to find rate of simple interest. I have to find the rate, and this 17,500 becomes 19,250. 17,500 becomes 19,250. So we got to know that this 17,500 is my principal and this 19,250 is my amount. Because many of you have the doubt that, ma'am, how shall I know that which is the principal, which is the amount? So, which is the principal and which is the amount? You can just check the language of the question. The language of the question, 17,500 will become 19,250, right? So, 17,500 will be the principal, 19,250 will be the amount. Now I have to find the rate. Time is given in my question 2 years. It is given here in the question. For rate, the formula is SI into 100 upon me P into T. SI into 100 upon me P into T. The formula says that. But I don't know what is the value of SI. But in my question, I know principal and amount, so I can calculate SI. SI is equal to what? Amount minus principal. Amount minus principal. That is 19,250 minus 17500. So what will it be? It will become 1750. It will become 1750. Subtract 19,250 minus 17,500. You will get 1750. Now just put the values here. SI is 1750 into 100 upon me. Principal is 17500 into time is what? 2 years. Two zeros cancelled out. 175 into 1 is 1. 175 into 10 is 1750. 2 1 is 2 and 2 into 5 is 10. So I'm left with 5. 5% will be my answer. That is option D. 5% will be my answer. That is option D. Okay, everyone, please note this down. Oh, ma'am, can you give another question? Yes, beta Dinesh, I shall. And where is the application? Will JNV then send what JNV? Yes, JNV is easy, beta. Pattern is easy. Pattern is easy, beta. Ma'am, Dhrudev voice is echoing. Do exit and rejoin. And I already attempted JNV. Yes, Krishav. Yes, Krishav. Krishav gone. Yes, Litika. Litika Shri.
Mom, I didn't understand how we should find it is amount of principal.
Beta, that depends upon the question, the language of the question. The language of the question says that 17,500 will become 19,250. That means the sum that will become what? Become amount. So sum is the principal and the sum that becomes is the amount. You have to understand the language of the question. Yes, Harshal, quickly, dear.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, you can show the formula once. I will just take it.
Beta, I don't have the formula right now with me in this particular screen. Yes, Shivansh, quickly. You're not audible, Shivansh. Please do ask in the chat box. Adya, Adya.
I didn't understand the calculation.
Okay, those who did not understand the calculation beta or those who did not understand this particular question, please lower down your hand. I'm explaining this again. And I think someone asked me, ma'am, where can I see the JNV form? Beta, JNV form is on the official website of the JNV. Okay, official website. Go into the Google search official website of JNV. You will get the JNV form. Okay. Okay, see, those who did not understand this, please lower down your hand. What will be the rate of simple interest at which 17,500 will become 19,250 in 2 years? You have to train your brain to understand the language of the question. 17,500 becomes 19,250. That means 17,500 is my principal and 19,250 is my amount. Year is given to me, that is 2 years. Now I have to find the rate. To find the rate, the formula is simple. SI into 100 upon may P into T. Now put the values. 750 into 100 upon may 17500 into 2. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, simplified. 1750 cut. You will get 10 here. 2 divides 10 to get 5. 5% will be your answer. 5% would be your answer. Take the screenshot. Yes, Sherlyn. Quickly, beta. Okay. Yes, Adya. Quickly. Beta, you're not audible. Yes, Akshay Dharmik. Quickly, dear.
Method, ma'am, to do.
Pardon?
There is short method, ma'am, to do. Short trick.
This is the short. Beta, this is the shortest method only. You think this is the long method because in order to explain To you all, I have to write the principal, amount, time, SI. But actually, you have to do only this step in the examination, only this step. So this is easy. But in order to make you understand beta, I'm writing this. Short trick is simple. Just put this formula. It will be easy. You don't have to take X. If you take X, it is a long process. But if you use this formula, it is a short trick beta. Okay, let's move ahead to the next question. Let's move ahead to the next question. And the next question is of Scenic. Same type. At what rate? And these type of question comes in the examination. A sum of rupees 6,000 will will amount to rupees 7,800 in 5 years. Okay. Options you have is 3%, 4%. Same type of question it is. Same type. Only the digits are changed. Same type of question it is. Language and digit has been changed. Apart from that, everything is same. Same process, same formula you have to apply, beta. Go for it. Here you go. At what rate of a sum? Sum is 6,000. Amount to 7,800. That means amount is 7,800. Okay, Gayatri, Dinesh, and Omkar. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. Very good, dear. Very good. Yes, Devansh. Quickly, dear. You are not audible, Devansh. Yes, Devayush.
Number
Quickly. Beta, after turning on your mic, you have to ask also. If you don't want to ask anything, why are you raising your hand, Devayush? Yes, Dhriti.
आपने जो ये इससे पहले जो क्वेश्चन समझाया था उसका जो आपने सॉल्यूशन दिखाया था साइड में वो मेरे को एक बार समझ नहीं आया
बेटा एक बार आप दोबारा सॉल्व करो, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. इसी टाइप का क्वेश्चन है, सेम है. यस, आरोही कुमारी. आरोही गई. यस, साहश्री. क्विकली बेटा.
मैंने एग्जिट भी किया मैम फिर भी वो
बेटा मैं इंटरनेट का इश्यू सॉल्व कैसे कर सकती हूँ, आप बताएं. सबको होता तो मेरी तरफ से होता, सिर्फ आपको है बेटा, तो मैं कैसे करूं बताइए. यस, शिवांश. क्विकली डियर. Shivansh, you're not audible to me, beta. Please ask in the chat box, dear. You're not audible. Okay, see, quickly. Same type of question it is. Principal is 6,000. Amount is 7,800. Time is 5 years. I have to calculate the rate. And for rate, I told you that I have only one formula, that is SI into 100 upon me P into T. I don't know what is SI. I shall calculate it. How? Amount minus principal. Amount minus principal. That is 7,800 minus 6,000. 1,800. SI is how much? SI is 1,800. We have calculated. Into 100 upon me. Principal is what? Principal is 6,000. Into Time is what? Time is 5 years. Now just solve it. Solve this equation. I have put all the values. In examination, you have to do only this one. But for yourself, I'm writing all these just to explain you. But in examination, this is the shortest method, beta. Now, two zeros cancelled out. 1010 cancelled out. 61 is 6. 6 into 30 is 180. You can divide yourself and see 180 divided 6 is 30. 5 1 is 5 and 30 divided 5 is 6. So my answer would be 6%. My answer would be 6%. Okay? Yes, Dhriti.
मैम ये जो आपने अभी करके दिखाया, आपने ये जो 18 लिखा था अभी, आप कैसे आपने यहाँ पे 18 लिखा?
धृति, आपको ये दिख रहा है?
नो मैम, मेरे को दिख नहीं रहा है, वो मेरे जो नीचे माइक वगैरह की वजह से ब्लर आ रहा है।
अमाउंट माइनस प्रिंसिपल करेंगे आप. ओके?
ओके मैम.
यस महाजिनी. यस बेटा.
Like, because 180 is there, we can cancel the 2 zeros. 18 is the answer.
Beta, you can calculate by any way. Calculation can be done anyway. Okay? You can cut zeros of 18 as well. You can do anyway. That's up to you. Totally up to you. Yes, it's J Mahit. J Mahit. Yes, Jay. Quickly. Mahit, beta, I'm not able to hear you, dear. Quickly, dear. Beta, please ask in the chat box. You're not audible to me. Yes, Arohi, 5949.
टीचर 30 कैसे आया ये वाला?
Beta, 180 divided 6 is 30. Yes, Rutvik, 5995. Yes, Rutvik, quickly. Beta, you're not audible. Please ask in the chat box. Yes, Ashri.
मैम वो 6000 में फिर आपने ओनली 6 लिया तो वो 2 1 किधर जाएंगे मैम?
2 1 आपके हैं ही. 6 into 1 आपके 6 ही होता है बेटा.
6 वाला मैम, 6 और 5 को जब आपने किया तो 1 1 आया ना मैम, उसको
1 into 1 is 1 बेटा. 6 by 1 is 6.
ओके मैम.
If in denominator you have 1, you don't have any value for that. Okay. One more question, beta. All the questions today we are doing is related with previous years. Okay. This time you have to find the number of years. Okay. Okay, so in how many years will 1500 amount to 1800 at 8% per annum simple interest? This time you have to find the number of years. Okay. And let me see. How many of you give me the correct answer? Here you go. Answer in poll, beta. quickly, dear. Questions are very easy for the examination. Very easy, dear. Okay, let me see. Shivansh, Gayatri, Dinesh, very good. Okay, before solving this beta, I want to tell you something. See, as I told you that JNV form is out, right? JNV form is out. Now, all the chapters that have been completed, okay, you have to solve the questions, the basic ones that we have done. Like we did, last chapter was profit and loss, and then this chapter is what? Simple interest, right? Three chapters we did, the main chapters, three chapters. So those three chapters, beta, matlab two chapter and this which is going right now. Please do practice very well, very well. We will be taking your test, and I will be sending you the topics. I already told you in the class. Please do solve the questions and upload, because even the simple interest chapter which is ongoing, you have not you have not uploaded the assignments. I got only few assignments, only few. I want all of you to upload the assignment. Reason being, I want to see that how many of you are on the verge of getting selection. I want to get the cream out of milk. So those who want to get selected, and those, because I want to see that how many students are there in the class, those who can make us proud and those who can take our institute name forward, right? So please submit the assignments on time. It's a request. Being a teacher, I know all of you are doing really well, but still I would request you to submit the assignment, so that being a teacher, I can know personally that how many students of this batch can get selected, and I will focus more on them, more. So please do submit the assignments on time. If you're not submitting the assignment, beta, it's your loss. You will think, I will not submit the assignment. I don't have the Bharati publication book, ma'am. I don't have this. I had no time to solve it. If you don't solve it, there will be no loss of mine. Even if 10 students solve the assignment, I will get to know, okay, these 10 students are there on whom I have to focus more so that they can be get selected. सिंपल सी चीज है, जो मुझे काम करके देंगे, I will focus more on them, right, rather than those who did not do what I tell in the class. So please everyone, send the assignments, upload the assignments. There is no certain questions which I am giving to you. The same book everyone is having. Editions might be different, but the same book everyone is having, this Bharati publication book. Go for this Bharati publication book, the chapters which are being done in the class, solve the questions, upload, and I shall check it and see that how many of you can get selected. If you have any doubts, please send in the Ask Out session. Okay? Okay, beta. Let's move to this question. That was just a genuine request from you all. Being a teacher, I want many of you to get the selection in different Sanic schools. So please do solve it, dear. See, principal I know 1500, amount is 1800. So SI will be what? Amount minus principal. I know the formula, that is 300, right? Simple interest is amount minus principal, that is 300. Now, rate is given to me 8%. I have to calculate the time, because in how many years it is asking. I have to calculate that time. Formula for time was what, beta? Same formula, SI into 100 upon me P into R. SI into 100 upon me P into R. Then SI is what? 300 into 100 upon me P. P is how much? P is 1500. And R is how much, beta? This R is 8%. Right? Now, easily solve it, dear. 0 से 0, simplified. 0 से 0, simplified. If you will tell me, ma'am, can't I cut this 0 and this 0? You can. You can. Okay? So 0 से 0, I will simplify this 0 and this 0 to make my calculation easy. 3 1 is 3 and 3 5 is 15. 5 1 is 5 and 5 into 20 is 100. Right? 20 upon 8 is how much? It is 20 upon 8 will be how much? Both shall be divided by 4. So it will be 5 by 2. Right? 20 divided 4 is 5 and 8 divided 4 is 2. So I will get 5 by 2 years. 5 by 2 years. When you convert this into mixed fraction, it will become 2 whole 1 by 2. That is option C. 2 whole 1 by 2. That is option C. Okay. Yes, Gayatri. Yes, beta. Gayatri.
Where do you get the assignments?
Beta, assignments is just a notice which is uploaded in the assignment section that you have to do all the questions from Bharti publication book and submit in that assignment section only. Just like you submit your doubts in the Ask Out session, in the same way you have to click the photos after doing it in your notebook and book and then submit it in the same. Okay? Yes, Litika.
Madam, can you do once 100 cut and 1500 zeros cut means?
You can do that also, Litika. Please try yourself, beta, once. And if you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Yes, Gahan?
By 2 into... Ma'am, how to convert the fraction into mixed fraction, ma'am?
Okay, just give me a second. Yes, Mahit? Yes, Mahit? Pardon? Beta, you're not audible. Yes, Ashri?
Ma'am, I didn't understood.
Okay. Yes, Dhriti?
300 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 इसमें जो 1500 है इसमें हर बार जो प्रिंसिपल होता है वही आता है
प्रिंसिपल की जगह आप प्रिंसिपल ही लिखोगे धृति और क्या लिखोगे आप प्रिंसिपल की जगह तो प्रिंसिपल ही लिखोगे ना वैल्यू यस शर्लिन बेटा शर्लिन beta, if there is some network issue and you cannot see me, please exit and rejoin, Shirley. Exit and rejoin.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Swastik. Yes, Kavya.
Can you explain the one more time?
Okay, explaining this again, beta. Everyone, you can lay down your hand here. See, in how many years will rupees 1500 amount to rupees 1800 at 8% per annum simple interest? Okay, so principal is 1500, amount is 1800. So simple interest will be what? Amount minus principal. 1800 minus 1500, that is 300. Will be my what? Simple interest. In order to calculate the time, I have formula SI into 100 upon me P into R. SI is 300 into 100 upon me P is 1500 given in the question. R is 8% given in the question. Now simplify this. 0 is 0, you will cut. 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. 5 1 is 5. 5 into 20 is 100. And I have left 20 and 8. 20 and 8 will be 5 by 2 when divided by 4. 5 by 2 you have to convert in years. So 5 by 2 years will be what? 2 whole 1 by 2. How 2 whole 1 by 2? Divide 5 by 2. You will get 2. Remainder में 1. Whatever is the quotient you will write in the side. Remainder at the top and denominator remains the same. 2 whole 1 by 2 will be your answer. 2 whole 1 by 2 years will be your answer. Okay. One more question for you. Same type of question I'm giving you. Same type of question. This is also from Sainik school only. Same type of question I'm giving you. In how many years a sum of rupees 500 at 5% per annum simple interest will amount to rupees 600. Okay. Okay, here you go. Try yourself once. Try yourself once. Same question. It is the same question, same type. Nothing different. अरे यार फोन क्यों नहीं हो रहा? हाँ, here you go. Same type of question it is. Only the digits have been changed, beta. Only the digits. An examination also same type of question comes. It will not be like so hard, but easy. Okay, Mahazini, Shivansh, and Akshay. Beta, very good there. Correct. Only half of the class has given me the correct answer. Exactly. Okay. Let's learn dear. Yes, Sherlyn, what happened?
Questions.
Pardon, Sherlyn? Okay. Yes, Arohi?
हेलो मैम
5949.
मैम इसका
जी।
पीडीएफ कब मिलेगा पूरा?
वीडियोस आपको मिलते हैं बेटा. वीडियोस आपको विद इन 24 आवर्स मिल जाते हैं. ठीक है आरोही, वीडियोस आपको विद इन 24 आवर्स मिल जाते हैं. रात 12 बजे के पहले आपको मैथ्स की वीडियो तो मिल ही जाएगी. यस कृतिक ठाकुर. कृतिक. यस आरोही.
मैम मैं वीडियोस में पीडीएफ के बारे में पूछ रही हूँ.
ये क्वेश्चंस आपके भारतीय पब्लिकेशन बुक के ही हैं बेटा. ये आपके पास अगर बुक होगी तो आप देख सकते हो. ये कुछ अलग क्वेश्चंस नहीं करवा रहे, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस है. ठीक है. यस वरदान.
मैम
Yes, Vardhan.
Ma'am, you will send any link for filling the application of JNV?
You can search it online, beta. You can search it on the official website of the JNV. Okay. If you want further help related to it, you can connect with the health support. Okay.
Ma'am, what we have to search? We have to search application form
J,
JNV like that.
yes, JNV 2027. Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Mahazini. Quickly, beta. Yes, Swastik. Yes, Nariksha. Jaldi, quickly, dear. Beta, you all are not audible to me. Mahazini, Nariksha. Beta, if when I allow your mic and if you're not audible, beta, quickly write in the chat box during that time. Okay, I shall read it. Okay. Lishant, you joined late and you are spamming in the chat box. Okay, see how to do this question. It is very easy, dear, very easy. In how many years a sum of rupees 500 at 5% per annum simple interest will amount to rupees 600? That means I know my principal is 500 because sum is 500 and amount to rupees 600 means what? Amount is 600. I can easily say my simple interest will be what? 600 minus 500. Amount minus principal. That is 100. I have to calculate what? Time. Formula everyone knows. SI into 100 upon me P into R. SI is what? SI is 100 into 100 upon me. P is 500 and rate of interest is how much? 5% given in the question. 0 से 0, simplify, right? 5 1 is 5 and 5 into 20 is 100. 5 1 is 5 and 5 into 4 is 20. So 4 years would be my answer. That is option B. That is option B. Yes, Arohi?
मैम ये 100 और 100 कैसे आया?
100 आपके क्वेश्चन में पहले से दिया हुआ है और
Okay, ma'am.
SI भी 100 है और क्योंकि SI 100 है इसीलिए आपके 100 आया. यस, जे माहिद.
Ma'am, I will not understand, ma'am.
What did you not understand, Dev? Mahit, what did you not understand, Dev? Mahit, beta, which step you did not understand? Mahit, beta, you're not audible to me. Yes, Vardhan?
Ma'am, we need any certificates to fill the JNV application.
Beta, documents would be there. So please, when you click on that link now, everything will be informed there, what documents are needed. Okay, so you can do that. Okay?
Okay, thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Most
Because your
thank you, ma'am.
photographs, signatures, everything will be required, right? Fifth standard mark sheet, everything. That's written over there in the notification. Go through the notification once. Yes, Gayatri beta. Gayatri gone. Yes, Anurag. Anurag.
Ma'am, I
Yes,
do one
beta.
method. Ma'am, hello.
Yes, beta. Quickly.
Ma'am, I do one method. 600 minus 600 minus 500 is equal to 100. Then I do 5 into 5, 25. Then I put 100 upon 25 is equal to 4 years.
Got it, Anurag. Got it, Anurag. That you do to 5 into 5, 25, and then again you take out as 4. Got it. But you have to take this 100 as well. You cannot remove this 100. You have to take in account of this 100 also. Okay. And calculation, it's up to you whether you do 5 into 5, 25, and then you cut it from 100. It's totally up to you. Calculations are up to you. Yes, Atithya? Quickly, beta.
Have to pay fees for the application of JNV.
It's free of cost, beta. Yes, Devansh? Yes, Devansh? Okay, gone. Beta, go through the notification once. Everything is mentioned there, everything. And JNV form is free, of course, beta. And what documents are required? So your photograph, your signatures, your mark sheet of fifth standard, because JNV form for sixth is out, right? So your mark sheet, everything will be there in the notification. Okay, I have one more question for you, and this one is easy one. Scenic school question. This time you have to find simple interest. I'm writing in short form. On rupees, SI means simple interest. Please don't raise your hand for this, okay? SI is simple interest. And I have written the question in short form. Okay, see beta, what's on the board? The question says that you have to find the SI, that is the simple interest on 5,000 rupees for at the rate of 7.5 years. And for how many years? For 3 years. For 3 years. For 3 years. Okay. Simple question, very easy question. Just you have to calculate the simple interest. And this was in Scenic School 2019. Okay, let's start the poll. And here you go. Yes, let's start the poll. Here you go. Charan, Tej, Kritik, and Mahazini. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. Very good. But very few of you have answered correctly. And this question was the basic, so easy. In examination, if you are going to do this way, beta, how would you ensure your selection? SI is equal to what? SI is equal to 5,000 into 7. 1 by 2 is there, right? 7, 1 by 2. This is rate. How can you write 7, 1 by 2? 7 into 2 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 50. You have to convert this into what? Improper fraction. You will multiply this 7 by 2, 14, and then you will add this one, 15. 15 by 2 into time is 3 years, and upon me what? Upon me 100. Because I know the formula P into R into T upon me 100, right? Now you shall simplify it. 2 zeros and 2 zeros are cancelled out. 2 1 is 2 and 2 into 25 is what? 2 into 25 is 50. Now you will multiply 25, 15 and 3. Multiply 25, 15 and 3. You will get 1125 as your answer. You will get 1125 as your answer. Quickly check this. Yes, Jivan. Yes, beta.
Understood.
Pardon, dear.
Ma'am, I didn't understood.
Okay, got it. Yes, Sanskriti. Sanskriti.
Ma'am, I don't know how to multiply 25 into 15.
Multiplication, beta, you have to do yourself. Do as you wish, beta. If you want to go for the traditional way for multiplication, if you can't remember the short trick. Yes, who is it? Swastik. Yes, Swastik.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, I didn't answer the question.
Okay. Those who did not understand the question, beta, please lower down your hand. Explaining this once again. Please lower down your hand. Find SI on 5,000 at the rate of 7 1 by 2% for 3 years, right? I have to find the simple interest. Formula for simple interest is known to me, that is PRT upon me 100. Principal into rate into time upon me 100, right? So principal is what? 5,000. I will write 5,000. Rate is what? Rate is 7 1 by 2%. This 7 1 by 2 beta mixed fraction ko you have to convert in what? You have to convert in improper one. So 7 into 2 is 14 and this 1 shall be added. So 14 plus 1 is what? 50. In the denominator, if 2 is written here, so I shall also write 2. Denominator remains the same. So 15 by 2. So 15 by 2 into 3 upon me, I have 100. So upon me 100. Now simplify this. 0 is 0, cut. 2 1 is 2 and 2 into 25 is 50. Now multiply 25, 15 and 3. You multiply yourself, you will get answer 1125. Multiplication you will be doing yourself. Okay? Yes, Mansi.
Spamming in chat box, ma'am.
Pardon, dear.
Ma'am, the spamming in chat box, ma'am.
Forget it, beta. Forget it, Mansi. Yes, Ashri.
Chapters did we completed, ma'am?
I would tell you this afterwards, okay? Yes, Arohi.
मैम ये अब क्लास खत्म होने वाला है.
Yes, Arohi. Yes, Sanskriti.
Ma'am, I raised my hand by mistake.
Okay. So, everyone, please take the screenshot of it. And that's it for today. Thanks for joining me, everyone. Please take the screenshot. Please take the screenshot, everyone. Okay, everyone. Bye, everyone. Bye, beta. Bye, dear.